Hello dear students, in this video we are going to start the new subject, that is management accounting. Management accounting is also called as managerial accounting, management accounting. Different terminologies are going to use for expressing the management accounting. Myself, Professor Vaishali Bharat Golab, I am preparing the lecture series on management accounting. In this video, we are going to cover meaning, definition, scope, nature of management accounting. Management accounting consists of two words, management and accounting. Okay, it is the study of managerial aspects of accounting. Management accounting is of recent origin. This term was first used in 1950 by a team of accountants visiting USA under the Anglo-American Council on Productivity. Management accounting is the presentation of accounting information in such a way as to assist management in the creation of policy and in the day-to-day operation of an undertaking. This is the definition given by ICMA. Okay, management accounting is the accounting methods, systems and techniques which couple with special knowledge and ability assist management in its task of maximizing profit or minimizing losses. Also, the Institute of Chartered Accountant of England and Wesley was defined management accounting as any form of accounting which enables a business to be conducted more efficiently. These are the different definitions given by different organization and author. Okay, this is the management accounting. Now we are going to cover the nature and scope of management accounting. See, management accounting is the latest branch in accounting area. It may be regarded partly as a science and partly as an art. It is a science of quantifying and summarizing and art of interpreting accounting data. Okay. Management accounting derive its conclusion through collection, processing, objective analysis of data, quantifying figure. That's why it is called as thus it depends on the objectification and quantification of progress and problem. From this point of view, we can say that management accounting is an science. Okay. However, management accounting also involves human judgment, impulses, whims, and prejudices as evidence in interpretation of data, deduction, and conclusion drawn from the analysis. From this point of view, we call it as a art. That's why management accounting is a partly as a science and partly as an art. Okay. Now we are going to see the different features of management accounting. First, most important feature of management accounting is a service function, which is concerned with providing various information to the management to facilitate decision making and review the implementation of this decision. That's why it is a service function. Another feature of management accounting is it uses not only the historical data but may also use the data based on projections and forecast for the purpose of evaluation of various possible alternatives. Management accounting assists the management in establishing plans to attain the economic objective and in taking the proper decision required for attainment of this objective. And last and most important feature of management accounting is it involves the application of various special techniques and concept for the attainment of its objective. That techniques we are going to cover in this subject, that is management accounting, or we can say managerial accounting. Now we are going to see the different objectives and function of management accounting. The main objective of management accounting is to help in performing its function efficiently And the major function of management are planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Okay, this is the main function of management. And management accounting helps the management in performing these functions effectively. Okay, now we are going to see the different functions of management accounting. First and most important function of management accounting is presentation of data. Traditional profit and loss account and balance sheet are not analytical for decision making. That's why management accounting modifies and rearranges the data as per the requirement for decision making through various techniques. That's why management accounting function is presentation of data for effective decision making. Second function of management accounting is aid of planning and forecasting. Management accounting is helpful to the management in the process of planning through the techniques of budgetary control and standard costing. Forecasting is extensively used in preparing budget and setting the standards. That's why it is useful for planning and forecasting the functions of the organization. Helps in organizing. Organizing is concerned with establishment of relationship among different individuals in the firm. It includes delegation of authority and fixing the responsibility. Management accounting aims at aiding the management in organizing through establishment of cost center, profit center, responsibility center, and budget preparation, as these activities are helpful in setting up an effective organizational framework. That's why it helps in organizing the different activity of the organization. Then decision making. Management accounting provide comparative data for analysis and interpretation for effective decision making and policy formulation. Then reporting to management of different levels. One of the major objectives of management accounting is to keep the management informed about the performance, adherence to plan and progress of various sections of the organization. That is main function of management accounting, that is reporting to management of different levels. Then communication of management policies. Management accounting convey the policy of the management downward to the personnel effectively for proper implementation. Then effective control. Here, standard costing, budgetary control techniques are used for effective control. That's why it is the integral part of management accounting. Control is the integral part of management accounting. This technique, that is standard costing, budgetary costing, control, that we are going to cover in coming videos. That helps in effective control of all the activities of the organization. Also, it helps to evaluate the performance and control the deviation. Then incorporation of non-financial information. Management accounting consider both financial and non-financial information for the developing alternative course of action which lead to the effective and accurate decision. Okay, then coordination and motivating the employee. Coordination, the targets of different departments are communicated to them and their performance is reported to the management from time to time. That's why it coordinates all the activities of the organization. Okay. The continuous reporting helps the management in coordinating the various activity to improve the overall performance of the organization. Then motivating the employee. Okay, budget, standards and other programs are to be implemented in practice by the employee. The major objective of management accounting is to determine the target in the form of budget, standards, programmer in such a way that the employees feel motivated to achieve them. That's why this is usually accomplished by making the targets practicable and offering suitable monetary and non-monetary incentives to achieve them. That's why indirectly it motivates the employee. Okay, these are the different objectives and functions of management accounting. In this video, we have covered the meaning, definition, objective, function of the management accounting. Thank you.